afternoon, good evening mga kababayan. Welcome to my vlogs. I'm your chef, Levi's Mendoza. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make or how to cook chicken wings. They call this General Cho Saucy Wings. So, ganun pa man, tayo na sa kusina at maumpisa na po nating lutuin to. Let's go! Let's start cooking! Tables. Now let's mix it, the cornstarch and the flour. Make sure you mix it well. That way our chicken wing is gonna come out crispy. Our wings, once they turn a little bit brown, they should be ready. So this load is done. So let's remove this one and we make another batch. So let's keep frying our chicken wings until we finish them all up. Once we finish the chicken wings, then we're gonna make our sauce. This is our last load. Our chicken wings almost finished to be fried. So now take them out and let's make our sauce.